Welcome to the small town of Fillmore, Utah. This place is about 3 hours away from my house, and it's in the middle of, seriously, cow pastures. And they just have these hot springs that go down really deep. Today we are doing something a little interesting. Remember the underwater drone videos we did in Cancun and Lake Powell, Utah? Well, I've got the latest and greatest underwater drone. This one is a bit unique, and it's different than the ones that we've had before. Because the old ones, to be honest and to be fair, we had a lot of bugs in them. I'm excited to try out this latest one. This is from Chasing Dory, and they said that they would send it to us and sponsor a video if we'd give it a try. So yeah, we're gonna see what's inside of the old hot springs and check out this Chasing Dory drone. First of all, this is way smaller. Like the other one that we had was this giant box that required you to bring an entire suitcase for it. And this is it. Oh my gosh. Look how small this thing is. That's crazy. Kind of a clever name, Dory, Chasing Dory. Nemo Chasing Dory in the movie. Little copyright issues probably there, but inside of the box, we have, it looks like the Wi-Fi base station that goes on the top. And this connects via this yellow cable. I got this Wi-Fi base connected to the actual drone via this cable, and I connected the app. There's the camera. It does look like it's connected. All right, this is a submarine. Just set it in. Okay, good, it floats. And this is the Wi-Fi base. This is where the hole is. That's where the deep stuff is right there. Oh, I can see it. I can see. Okay, record here. Oi, whoa.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Something happened.
Now she's going down. Going under. What the heck?
Oh, where are you going?
There you go, buddy. All right, now I'm piloting it. Now we're going. We've got a rock inside of it, and we didn't want to push it out with sticks. Do you want to try getting it with this one? Where is it?
I think you'll see it.
So when you're in a place like this that's super tight, I think I got some of that stuck inside of the motor. Where when in open waters and on the ocean, you probably won't have that problem. Totally fixed it. That little stick is super important. Now I'm going way down. Oh, I just hit the bottom. See how dirty it is? It's just dirty in there. Oh, there it is. Dude, this is fun actually. In a wide open space. So it runs for about an hour. I think I've exceeded that 1 hour time limit. And it's not at the most ideal spot. Because I don't think this is the hot springs you want to swim in. So I got this giant stick, and it looks like it's just beyond the reach.
Okay, I'll be your backup.
Oh!
I'll be your
All right,
backup.
hold on to my hand. Oh! Come on! Oh, I think I kind of made the water go. Ah!
I got a stick.
Okay, hold on. I don't know if your stick's gonna make it. I'll try. Oh, I couldn't quite reach it.
Oh, man.
Thanks for trying, though. Oh, that was so close.
Almost. Oh, it's coming.
It's coming. All right,
We got it.
this.
We got it.
Ah, yes!
There we go. Woo-hoo-hoo!
We found Dory. Nice catch.
Oh gosh.
Okay,
What's up?
there we go. Thank you, stick. The sun is setting. I've run out of my 1 hour time period, and I need to detangle this line. But the Chasing Dory drone is definitely the best drone that I've used. I feel like we're getting much closer to the point where these underwater drones are actually consumer friendly, like where you don't have to have like a ton of experience and training in order to fly these. This one I would actually buy and keep it on my boat if I was a boat person and take it out and I'm going fishing, or just to get some fun shots of the kids diving in unique places. This one's fairly easy to use. It's easy to store. It's easy to carry with you because it's so small. And then also because everything is used on the phone app, it makes it a lot better than having a giant controller that needs to be connected to it. Thank you, Chasing Dory, for sponsoring this video. If you are interested in this, they have a Kickstarter going on right now. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check this product out. Pretty fun.